Good afternoon, everyone. I am just telling to you how to do. This is my argumentative text entitled Tama, which is not truthful and morally acting, united against corruption. Corruption is one of the biggest barriers to progress in our nation. And it is not limited to those in power. It starts with the smallest dishonest act we often ignore. The advocacy, Tama, which is the truthful and morally acting, united against corruption, emphasizes that integrity begins with the youth. Because we are the foundation of tomorrow's society. According to a 2023 Transparency International survey, over 60% of Filipinos believe that corruption is one of the major problems. One of the major problems affecting daily life, and nearly 40% admit to witnessing dishonest practices in schools or workplaces. If we allow cheating, lying, and manipulation, we are silently feeding the large cycle of corruption that weakens our country. Some may argue that corruption is too deeply rooted in Some may argue that corruption is too deeply rooted for young Filipinos to make a difference, believing only those in high positions can change the system. However, this is what keeps corruption alive. A 2022 social weather station report showed that 7 out of 10 Filipinos think that citizens themselves must act to stop corruption, proving that individual responsibility is the key. When students choose honesty over convenience, fairness over favoritism, and truth over silence, they set examples of that rival through families, schools, and communities. Therefore, Tama stands as a reminder that true reform starts from within. By living truthfully and acting morally, we can build a culture where integrity is not rare but expected. When the youth rise, a clean, transparent, and honorable Philippines will no longer be a dream, but a shared reality. Thank you.